One day, Zoe bought the ring in a little shop. It was not costly, and the red stone in it was not ruby. But it was a pretty ring, and Zoe liked it. She put the ring in a drawer. After some days, she bought a new dress and went to the drawer to find a ring to wear it. She put on the ring. It was on that day that strange things started to happen. She started at breakfast. She picked up an empty cup from the table, but it slipped from her hand. But the cup did not fall. Instead, it stopped halfway down. And Zoe looked it up and put it back on the table. No one in the room saw it. The next day, another strange thing happened. There was a bus stop near Zoe's house. And as she opened the front door, she saw a bus just starting. But as soon as she came out of the house, the bus stopped and she got in. All that day, wherever Zoe went, things happened just as she wanted. She left an umbrella in a restaurant, and the waitress ran after her with it. In the evening, she played cards with some friends, and she and her husband won all the time. The next day, Zoe wore a green dress and another ring. But nothing strange happened. After that, whenever she wore the ring with the red stone, she was lucky, and everything went just as she wanted. Zoe, fascinated by the mysterious events tied to her red-stoned ring, and she decided to test its magical powers further. One day, as she strolled through a park, she saw a group of children flying kites. Curious, she pointed to a particular kite caught in a tree, silently wishing for its release. To her amazement, the kite gently floated down, untangled itself, and soared back into the clear sky, leaving the children cheering in delight. But the ring's real magic showed during a sudden rain. Zoe had no umbrella, so she held out her hand and wished for something to keep her dry. Surprisingly, a bubble appeared above her, preventing her from getting wet as she walked through the rain. People around her looked surprised at this strange and wonderful sight. As word of Zoe's enchanted experiences spread, people started seeking her advice and good fortune.
"It's the ring that is making me lucky,"
she told her husband.
"It's a magic ring."
Then one day, she lost it. An old man came to the door and said he was hungry and thirsty. Zoe brought him into the house and gave him some sandwiches and a cup of tea. The ring with the red stone was on the table. When the old man left, Zoe saw that the ring was not there. With the ring went all her good luck. After Zoe lost her magic ring, she felt very sad. Days didn't feel as happy anymore, and the special moments were no longer special. The surprises that used to make her life wonderful were gone. Everything around her, which used to be filled with magic, now seemed plain and usual. After a week, Zoe saw that old man on High Street. As he walked on, a flower vase fell out of the window of a tall building. But halfway down, it stopped for a moment, and the old man went on unhurt.
Now I know that's the man who took my magic ring,
said Zoe. One day, Zoe's husband sat her down and said,
"You know, we don't need magic to be happy. We have each other. And that's enough for a joyful life." The magic was fun. But our love and companionship are what truly matter. We can create happiness together, even without a special ring. Let's cherish the simple moments and enjoy the love we share, making every day special just by being together.
Zoe smiled, realizing that true happiness indeed came from the bond they shared.